Have you ever thought that there could be a machine that can tell your future in just 1 second? In today's video, we'll learn about such a mysterious technology, not just a tale from science fiction, but part of government labs and secret projects. The strange power of quantum computers, combined with the unknown aspects of government AI research, has created a machine that can predict possible futures. For example, it's not just about time calculation. It analyzes our potential next steps, world politics, and can even influence personal lives. Today, we'll learn how this technology works, where it's being created, and insights from secret projects that it can reveal. By the end of this video, you won't just imagine the future, you'll understand some of its mysteries a bit. So, let's begin and learn the story of that machine capable of predicting the future in 1 second. First, let's see how quantum computers create the vision of this machine. A regular computer can process only a few pieces of data at once, but a quantum computer can analyze countless possible scenarios simultaneously. This is a kind of mathematical power that, based on our current data, can infer possible future outcomes. Imagine, every second, billions of probabilities being verified and the correct possible outcome selected. This is the core mystery. Next, there are secret government projects. Some powerful countries in the world are conducting experiments on such machines. Reports suggest that some projects are so classified that ordinary people may never even know of their existence. This machine is not just for future prediction. It's being more mysterious. According to some leaks from secret defense projects, the probability of border conflicts or cyber attacks was identified in advance with the help of this machine. Based on the machine's analysis, strategies to avert conflict for a country were planned ahead. This proves that the machine doesn't just analyze data, it can directly influence policy decisions. Note the provided document is truncated after page 2, with the remaining page not included. The translation covers all available content. CipherLeaks. Used in analyzing political policies, economics, and even global security. It's believed that with this technology, leaders can make decisions with reduced risks, and even prevent major crises in some cases. The most surprising thing is the role of AI. By combining the power of quantum computers with AI's analytical capabilities, the machine does not just show possible outcomes. It can also provide plans on how to avoid or influence those outcomes. In other words, it doesn't just reveal the future, it acts as a kind of guide. So the question is, how safe is this technology for us? On one hand, it can help reduce dangers. On the other, if such powerful technology falls into the wrong hands, it could bring terrifying consequences. We need not just curiosity, but awareness, and an effort to understand the boundaries of technology. In the next part, we'll see where in the world these machines are being built, and the most astonishing secret projects that haven't been publicly revealed yet. Stay with us, because truth and mystery are blending together in this video. If we try to learn about the locations and projects of this machine, the first things that come up are some super secret labs and government research centers. It's believed that America, China, and some European countries are creating and testing such machines. In these labs, quantum computers and advanced AI technologies are integrated to run projects that can only be seen with direct government approval and security clearance from multiple countries. A surprising fact is that many of these projects are so secret that nothing can be identified from satellite images or defense networks. However, some leaks and researchers have revealed that the machines are much larger than ordinary labs or offices, and inside them, multiple supercomputers and AI servers work together. Some reports say that the quantum chips used in these machines are designed in such a way that they can produce millions or billions of possible outcomes in seconds. An even more mysterious aspect is the power of government AI usage. AI models don't just analyze data, they recognize patterns from past events and infer future steps. For example, political policies, economic changes, or even fluctuations in global markets, everything appears as patterns to this machine. In 1 second, the machine shows all possible outcomes and even gives some advice. But this technology is not limited to just revealing the future. Many reports say that the machine can reduce the probability of risks and dangers. Suppose an international crisis or cyber attack might occur. The machine anticipates possible situations in advance and assists in decision-making. As a result, leaders can solve major problems with minimal damage. However, controlling it is not easy. If such powerful technology falls into the wrong hands or is used uncontrollably, it could lead to a global catastrophe. Therefore, strict security measures and limited access are mandatory for these machines. In the next part, we'll learn about some extreme real-life examples of this technology, where actual events have been predicted in advance with the machine's help. Stay tuned, because what you'll see is not just science, but a strange blend of mystery and technology. Now we come to the most astonishing part, where we'll see how this machine has been used in reality, and some mysterious examples that will raise eyebrows. As the first example, let's take an international economic situation. Multiple reports say that using a supermodern quantum AI machine, the possible future market crash was predicted in advance. Ordinary economic analysts had no indication of this crash, but the machine verified the probability of all possible events in 1 second and issued a warning at the right time. Such incidents prove that the machine doesn't just assist in decisions, it can have major impacts. The second example